So they finally did it. They've been upgrading literally all the other laptops in the range, but finally they've upgraded the Asus TUF A14. Easily one of my favorite gaming laptops that Asus has ever launched. Why is it one of my favorites? Well, it packs all of that 14-inch goodness that you get from the Zephyrus G14, strips out some of the unnecessary stuff that you may not need, such as the OLED display, that aluminum shell, gives you a nice plastic build, but it still feels pretty premium in the hand. Also makes it a bit more lightweight as well, something fun to pay attention to. As for what upgrades you're getting, you've got an RTX 5060 inside here, which is capable of doing some pretty decent 1080p gaming performance from my testing. So for example, Cyberpunk 2077 with multi-frame gen on, so for every one frame the GPU renders, AI will predict the next 3. You're looking at around about 110, 120 frames per second at 1080p Ultra. Wild numbers, truly, truly wild numbers. And even better than that, it's got really, really good thermal performance too. Asus has managed to vastly increase the total power going to these chips to 130 watts between the CPU and the GPU. Quite a significantly higher than what it was last time. And the primary reason for that is there's a new way of taking in air which comes in through the keyboard itself, which is pretty smart thinking. Nice job. In terms of pricing, we're looking around about the same as what the last one was. So we're looking about $13.99, $14.99, depending on what specification you get. Obviously, this is before any potential tariff impacts may be felt, but once we know, you'll know. Keep it locked on our TikTok for all the latest from Computex.